Now let's just say for giggles that you brought me into your office and you wanted me to work with your employees and your leadership team to increase their engagement levels and their retention. While I'm working with your team, I might ask them a question like, who is your best boss ever? Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, founder of Grategy and the Thanks Process for creating a culture of appreciation in the workplace. I work with manufacturing leadership teams to help them to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. What is your gratitude strategy or gratitude? That when we see the many blessings that we have, the good things that are going on in our lives, and we can focus on that, it makes it a lot easier to find the good. But we can start with the simple words of saying thank you and being specific in what that thank you looks like.
We just had an amazing presentation about giving thanks to the people that work for you and being grateful for what they do. And Lisa just gave us something that everybody can run away with, start the day, start the week with something powerful that they can start using within their teams.
It's up to you to look for the clues and to find the good. When you take the time, less than 2 minutes in the morning, to write it down, you'll notice that you'll feel happier.
My friend Lisa Ryan is one of my idols, teaching the attitude of gratitude.
When we look at the very essence of what creates company culture, it comes down to basic human connection. By the end of this session, you're going to know that when you look for the good, you can always find it.
The take-home value is incredible. I highly recommend Lisa.
I'm Lisa Ryan. I appreciate you, and I would love to work with you and your clients. Thank you.